So, I'm in a vacant house. Just somebody I know. So I'm in here doing the paint job. Have to go around, touch up some wall repairs. The sink was busted. You can see that leaked for a long time. So I need that sink to do painting. The little bathroom, I used the sink yesterday to clean my paint and stuff out, but we just got some minor touch-up repairs need to be done. Nothing super major. It's a tiny little house. Cute little bitty house. I went through and painted all the trim yesterday. So, cute little thing. Like I said, we got some wall repairs to do. Somebody started it, but it's not finished. Not a big deal. Like down there, that needs to be fixed. Little touch-ups. Biggest problem is over here, the seam tape is broke, so we'll have to retape those, patch the corner. This here, you can see it's buckled out a little bit. We got to fix that. It's got a mirror there, but all in all, it's a cute little bitty house. We'll I got to paint the ceilings. I hate freaking ceilings, but so I stopped at Lowe's and picked up a new roller for my pressure washer or pressure roller, so that way I can just get it done real quick. I don't think it's going to do a big difference in the kitchen. Maybe you'll be able to see a big difference in the paint job, but for the most part, you know, this is a textured ceiling here. This is smooth. Got a section there that flaked off. I knocked it off yesterday. It's no primer, so I'm not going to waste the time to float that out. We're just going to paint over it. It's a small rental and not the best of neighborhoods, so the stuff like this, I mean, I'm doing wall repairs, so you know, I'll probably clean that up a little bit. It's not too hateful. It's just a little bump out. Just makes it not look right, you know what I mean? Cute little. This is the closet. That's the furnace. So no central air. That's why you keep seeing these little portables right here. But I can put air on this fairly simple. That's the outside wall. I could run it up into the attic somehow. I don't know how I'd do that one. I'd probably run it straight up. That way you can still get to the screws. You know what I mean? That'd be a tight one. The door, it looks like they just screwed the door right to the freaking wall. So I could probably redo that a little bit, because the furnace only needs to go back about an inch, but I guarantee it's shoved against, yeah, I guarantee it's shoved against there. But not a big deal, not a big deal. It would also have to have a condensation line put in, run straight back. I was trying to see how much room I got. Anyways, I'm not here to fix the world, bro. I'm just here to do a paint job, little touch-up repairs. No big deal. Let's get to business. So, I'll tell you what's going on. So, I'm not leaving my current job. There was just a whole bunch of circumstances, okay? So I am staying at my current job. I'm not taking the new job. There's, like I said, there's a lot of variables there on that. Yeah, it's a lot more money, but what it was going to cost me to move, you know, like to rent a house, and the deposit and the month's rent, and then the movers, I have to have movers move me. What it was going to cost me to transition to another job was going to exceed any profit I could get from the new job. Like I said, my job is not a bad job. It's a very simple job. It's just maintenance. Yeah, I've got my ACs on the roof. You know, that's just life. But there's going to be a couple changes coming the first of the year. I can't mention that right now, but there's going to be some changes coming, which will make my job even easier. Not that these changes were a major problem. but my job is getting simplified just a slight bit. Anyways, so the job is what it is. It's a good paying job. I live on site. You know, I get to go home for lunch and all that good, you know, good. So there's no reason for me to jump ship and go take another job, another company, start all over. So anyways, that's what's up with the job. So I did some drywall repairs. Here's the video on that. Yeah, they're just simple repairs, patching holes. The one by the refrigerator or the cabinet there, I would have had to take all the cabinets out to make that one piece. That's only the first coat of mud too, by the way. So it wasn't necessary to remove all that because that drywall was still good. It was hard. It wasn't soft. Had it been soft, I would have pulled it. But anyways, so yeah, it's just been a lot of chaos the last couple of weeks. So hopefully we'll be able to get back into it pretty soon. I did have one tenant on the property pass away, and because of that, his apartment, he'd been there for a long time. His apartment is old, so we're gonna most likely renovate that one a little bit. I did talk to the boss about let's piece it out, have one contractor do the bathroom, I'll do the kitchen, electrical, have the painter come in and do the painting, flooring, you know what I mean? It's more cost effective to do it that way versus paying the contractor $6,000 to come in and turn an apartment. And we still sub out the carpet and the flooring, you know what I mean? So I think that's what we're gonna try to do since I'm not going anywhere. I also have a bathtub that is busted. It's got a hole in it, about like that, right by the drain. But because of it being occupied and one person, we're subbing that out. I'll probably end up having to go back and finish up the walls, the drywall and stuff. But we'll see how that pans out next week or the week after that. I don't know. Beats me. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get busting up some paint on this. Paint the ceilings, clean it up. My job today is to paint the ceilings and do any touch-ups on the wall that need to be done, floating them out, stuff like that. I'm not gonna paint the walls today, but I am gonna paint the ceiling. So let's do it.
praise God.